So yeah, before we get into the pine green ones, I want to show you guys something that I caught from Kicks on Fire. I got an email saying that they got a new t-shirt, and it was a free shirt. You just had to pay for shipping. So I think shipping was like $8-9, and I got it right here finally. So what it came is, let's see. Oh damn, I bent that. So it came with a little card saying Kicks on Fire, world largest sneaker marketplace, which I don't know how true that is, but whatever. I got this little card right here, and then you got the t-shirt. Oh wow, actually came with a little like pin. That's actually pretty cool. I don't know if you guys see that. That's actually pretty dope. But let's see. So yeah, you got the t-shirt. Let's see what else. I think it came with something else. Oh, so it came with Kicks on Fire sticker. Came with 2 stickers, which I guess it came free with the package. A new Kicks on Fire band. I did have one, and my old one ripped. So I'm actually glad that I got these. This one says, oh, they both say Kicks on Fire, and they both say Sneakerhead. So that's actually pretty dope. I really rock with that. And then it's purple just because it matches the t-shirt. And here we got that Jordan and Space t-shirt. I saw this and I was like, yo, that is beyond fire. So here you got Michael Jordan, the Space helmet. And then he's wearing I think it's the 2s. Yeah, he's wearing the 2s, and it says Kicks on Fire. You got a little rocket ship right there with like this joint is fire. Honestly, the quality actually feels fairly good. A lot better than I thought. You know, that it was I think they said it was from an artistic person that won some kind of like a challenge or something, and then they won the image, and then they made it into a t-shirt. They also have different colors. I think they have it in black. The shirt in black and purple, I believe. But I ended up getting the white one because that's the one they had available. That was technically free. I think the shirt was like, I think it was like $25 plus shipping. But because they had it for free, I only had to pay for shipping. But yeah, overall, this shirt was actually pretty dope. And I have a little bit closer pictures of it, or a B-roll of it. But yeah, overall, let me know what you guys think of the t-shirt. From Kicks on Fire. It's not a promotion or anything like that. I just, I copped it. I just wanted to show you guys. But let's get to the pine greens. As you can tell from the title, I was able to cop the pine green ones. And I'm going to talk a little bit about them, give you my opinion, and then compare them to another pair that I think they're pretty much equal as far as quality-wise. Let's get to it. So today I'm going to talk about the pine green ones I was able to cop yesterday. They did sell out fairly quickly. At some point, if you didn't win the raffle, they were doing a first come first serve. Luckily, I was able to cop a pair. I was only gonna get one, but it wasn't too bad. Here we go. Is a pine green, I guess 2.0 you can call it. It comes with a little red lace, and then the tongue is red. Personally, I'm probably gonna keep it with the black lacing, but I'm fairly satisfied about these. These actually came out a lot better than I thought. The quality is really good. The tumble leather and the inside is really good. The only thing that seems to like be a trend with 1's is that really bad high glue smell. But overall, it's not too bad. But yeah, overall, these were really good. Retail was $170 for these, just like all the new upcoming Air Jordan 1's are going to be $170 from now on. I'm not sure why they have that price jump, but these are actually, overall, they're still pretty good. I'm fairly satisfied with these. Jordan brand is definitely doing, pretty good, similar quality to a lot of the newer ones. Overall, I wish they'll, do a little bit more with their shoes, better colorways. The only thing that I wish this wasn't like a little patch on there. That's the only thing I really don't like about that shoe. It's kind of weird because the other ones don't have it like that. But overall, I'm still fairly satisfied. Now, I'll honestly compare these a lot to the UNC 1's as far as quality-wise. Is a lot more tumble than that of the UNC 1's. I have B-roll shots showing you guys what they look like. Definitely the ones, the pine greens are full tumble up to the Nike check, and then you the front toe box, and then the heel is all tumble. A little bit in the heel collar is a little bit tumble, but for the most part, most of the shoe is tumble leather, and it has just like regular plain leather right here by the mid panel. But yeah, you know, it's not too bad. Like I said, quality wise, it's not that bad. You know, I'm very satisfied. These definitely sold out very quick. They're not going for much on the resale market just because, you know, one is a little bit oversaturated, so they're not going to be too much, you know, going up. But yeah, I'm going to show you guys an on feet on these, and you tell me what you guys think. But yeah, guys, as far as Air Jordan 1s, I mean, the UNC ones and the Pine Greens, I want to say is a little, they're about even as far as which one I prefer more. Personally, I feel like I could wear more stuff with the Pine Green ones than I can with the UNC. But overall, I do like the UNC ones. I like that, you know, I don't know if you guys saw my other video. You guys already saw that, what I thought about it. I do like the contrast between the red and the blue. I like the blue. I love the shoe. But the pine green ones, I feel like is more, this shoe is more practical. You could wear with more stuff. You know, you could wear with, you know, black t-shirt, green t-shirt, maybe red. You know, it's a lot more simpler and less complicated than that of the UNC ones. But yeah, also don't forget to comment, like, subscribe to the channel. I also have an Angelus link down below. If you guys want to purchase something for Angelus, use my link. And eventually I can get a discount code through them. I just have to have a certain amount of people buy from that link. But yeah, if you guys like this review, comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.